Today we're going to review the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station. This is the perfect addition to your camp kitchen. What sets this cook station apart from the rest is its slim and lightweight design. When folded up, it's only 20.9 by 3.7 by 34.6 inches and weighs only 18.9 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. But don't let its small size fool you. It has a weight capacity of 48 pounds on the top shelf, 30 pounds on each of the other 4 shelves, and 35 pounds on the storage rack for a total weight capacity of 203 pounds. Plus, it has ample space for all of your cooking needs. Featuring a heat-resistant aluminum countertop that can hold a stove, food, and cooking utensils, as well as 4 plastic side tables for additional storage space. One of the best things about this cook station is how easy it is to set it up. It has a hassle-free one-piece design that can be set up in seconds so you can start cooking right away. It also stands at the perfect cooking height of 32.3 inches high with a depth of 21 inches and a total width of 52 inches. Overall, the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. It's compact, lightweight, and provides ample space for all of your cooking needs. So whether you're camping, tailgating, or just enjoying a day at the park, make sure to bring the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station along for the ride.